How do I use PayPal credit for large purchases? So first thing that you need to do is get into any sort of online application or online shopping website, right? So in there, what you're going to do is get into the final checkout option, and on the final checkout option, tap on the option of PayPal. So after tapping on PayPal, you'll get the option of PayPal credit. Tap on it, and after doing that, if you do not have your PayPal credit yet, you will simply just fill out a short application form on your instant credit card decisions, and after doing that one, if your credit has been approved by PayPal, you will be able to actually use that option. So after completing it, actually PayPal grants you 0% interest for 6 months. So you can actually use this option with 0% for 6 months. So after 6 months, there will be certain percentage of interest added to this PayPal credit, and like that you will be able to use your PayPal credit for large purchases. So lastly, the very important thing that here you need to remember is you must actually pay off the entire balance before the 6-month promotional window expires. So otherwise, the deferred interest will actually be back charged from the original purchase date. So make sure to pay off this credit card bill within the 6 months. So yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.